My name is Bryant Fitts. I'm a lawyer, and I'm here today to talk about unpaid overtime for Hurricane Michael contractors. Did you work more than 40 hours a week while doing Hurricane Michael cleanup? If so, you're entitled to time and a half for any hour you worked past your 40 hours. Many contractors down there were so busy, they were paying people straight time, and they were not paying them overtime. Federal law requires you to be paid overtime. There are limited exceptions to this rule, but most people working at Hurricane Michael cleanup efforts are entitled to overtime. Now, some employers and some contractors would do little tricks to try to make people not eligible. Typically, those tricks do not work. They may seem on their face to work, but if you make your claim for unpaid wages, they won't work and they won't hold up. Some of the tricks they would do would be making you show up to work before you're allowed to clock in, which means you have to spend X amount of time driving some location and not getting paid for driving, or showing up to the yard to get ready for the workday and not being allowed to clock in until you actually leave the yard, or the same thing at the end of the day where you come back to the yard at the end of the day, you clock out, but you spend an hour and a half cleaning up all your materials and getting ready for the next day. So there are a number of things contractors will do to avoid paying overtime. But if you're working more than 40 hours a week in the Hurricane Michael cleanup, you're most likely entitled to time and a half or overtime. So if you have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-99-FITS, or you can post in the comments section below.